world of modern Italian luxury and performance. We are exploring a Ferrari that represents a major evolution in the brand's grand touring philosophy. This is the Ferrari Amalfi 2026, a beautifully designed grand touring sports car that replaces the Ferrari Roma. It combines timeless Italian styling, advanced technology, everyday comfort, and the raw power of a twin-turbo V8 engine. This video is a complete, in-depth voice-over documentary created for car enthusiasts, luxury buyers, and Ferrari fans across the United States. So relax, enjoy the journey, and let's discover what makes the Ferrari Amalfi one of the most important Ferraris of the modern era. The Ferrari Amalfi represents a new direction for Ferrari. It is not designed to shock. It is designed to impress. This car is about balance, between performance and comfort, power and elegance, emotion and usability. Ferrari created the Amalfi for drivers who want to enjoy the Ferrari experience without the compromises that often come with extreme supercars. This is a Ferrari you can live with. It is confident, refined, and deeply emotional. Ferrari names are never random. The Amalfi Coast is one of the most iconic driving locations in the world. It represents long scenic roads, open skies, ocean views, and effortless beauty. Ferrari wanted this car to feel exactly like that: smooth, graceful, powerful, and unforgettable. The Amalfi is not aggressive for attention. It is confident through design. The Ferrari Roma introduced a minimalist approach to Ferrari design. It was elegant, clean, and refined. But Ferrari listened closely to its customers. Many wanted more presence, more technology, and a stronger emotional connection, especially buyers in the United States. The Amalfi was designed to meet those expectations. It builds on the Roma's foundation but adds more character, more strength, and more modern luxury. This is evolution, not revolution. The Ferrari Amalfi is sculpted, not styled. Every surface flows naturally into the next. The front end is lower and wider, giving the car a planted and confident stance. Slim LED headlights blend seamlessly into aerodynamic channels that guide air efficiently across the body. The hood is long and smooth, paying tribute to classic front-engine Ferraris of the past. From the side, the proportions are pure grand tour: long hood, short rear, muscular rear fenders. Flush door handles maintain a clean appearance while improving airflow. At the rear, slim horizontal taillights create a wide visual presence. The quad exhaust tips remind you that this is still a true Ferrari. An active rear spoiler deploys automatically to improve stability at high speeds, without interrupting the car's elegant design. Ferrari engineers focused on invisible performance. The Amalfi uses active aerodynamics that adjust continuously while driving. At highway speeds, airflow is optimized to reduce drag and increase efficiency. At higher speeds, the car automatically increases downforce for better grip and stability. The underbody is completely optimized using Formula One-inspired simulation techniques. The result is a car that feels calm, stable, and planted, even at very high speeds. This is aerodynamic performance without visual aggression. Step inside the Ferrari Amalfi, and the atmosphere changes completely. This is not a race car interior. This is a luxury environment designed for long journeys. The cabin is wrapped in hand-stitched Italian leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber. Materials feel soft, solid, and premium everywhere you touch. The driver is surrounded by a fully digital instrument cluster that displays speed, navigation, driving data, and performance information. In the center is a modern touchscreen infotainment system. For the first time, the passenger is fully involved, with a dedicated display showing speed, media, and navigation. This creates a shared driving experience. Ferrari focused heavily on comfort. The seats are designed for long-distance support, not just lateral grip. They include heating, ventilation, and optional massage functions. Lumbar support is improved compared to previous models. Cabin noise is carefully controlled, allowing quiet cruising on highways while still delivering engine sound when desired. Storage space has been optimized for weekend trips and travel. This is a Ferrari built for real life. The Ferrari Amalfi fully embraces modern technology. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard. The system supports over-the-air software updates, ensuring the car improves over time. A premium sound system delivers rich, clear audio even at high speeds. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking. These features make the Amalfi especially appealing to US buyers who value safety and daily usability. At the center of the Ferrari Amalfi is its engine. A twin-turbocharged 3.9-liter V8, one of the most celebrated engines Ferrari has ever built. This engine has been refined and improved for smoother power delivery and greater efficiency. Power output is estimated between 620 and 640 horsepower. Torque exceeds 560 pound-feet, providing strong acceleration at any speed. 0 to 60 miles per hour takes just over 3 seconds. Top speed exceeds 200 miles per hour. Despite turbocharging, Ferrari engineers carefully tuned the exhaust to preserve the emotional V8 sound. It is calm when cruising and thrilling when pushed. The Amalfi uses an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. Shifts are seamless in comfort mode and aggressive in sport and race modes. Drive modes allow the car to adapt instantly to different driving conditions. Comfort mode is smooth and relaxed. Sport mode sharpens throttle response and steering. Race mode unleashes the full performance character of the car. This flexibility defines the Amalfi's personality. The Ferrari Amalfi is rear-wheel drive, maintaining classic Ferrari balance. Adaptive suspension continuously adjusts to road conditions. An electronic differential improves traction